Is it time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? In this video, we're diving deep into ACHR Aviation. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has ranked ACHR Aviation as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 25.44% since we first listed ACHR Aviation as a buy candidate 6 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.82% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 26.73% to positive 36.73%. In the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of 124.92%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from 40.04% to 163.22% over the coming year. This would suggest a future price range between $15.95 and $29.98. Our latest daily update for ACHR Aviation includes the headline, Volatile Ride for ACHR Aviation Inc. stock price on Monday, moving between $11.18 and $12.78. The ACHR Aviation Inc. stock price fell by 14.36% on the last day, Monday, 19th May 2025, from $13.30 to $11.39. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.36% with a day low at $11.18 and a day high of $12.78. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 31.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 13 million shares, and in total, 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $639,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $13.92 and the lowest price was $2.82. Currently, the price is 18.18% or $2.53 below the 52-week high and 38.76% or $7.21 below the all-time high on the 18th of February 2021 when the price reached $18.60. ACHR Aviation has generated significant buzz following a series of announcements impacting its stock outlook. Despite a robust first-quarter earnings report, analysts suggest that investors may want to hold off on buying, citing a negative return on invested capital and revised downward earnings estimates. On a positive note, ACHR recently achieved a critical milestone with its Midnight aircraft, securing Federal Aviation Administration certifications that are pivotal for commercial operations. The launch of the Midnight in Abu Dhabi underscores ACHR's ambitions in the burgeoning air taxi market and positions it competitively against industry peers such as Joby Aviation, especially with its strong liquidity of $1.1 billion. In a strategic partnership, ACHR has teamed up with Anduril Industries UK and received support from Skyport's drone services to explore applications for its electric vertical takeoff and landing technology in both civil and defense sectors. This collaboration could enhance market penetration and operational capabilities in the United Kingdom. Additionally, ACHR's partnership with Palantir Technologies to integrate artificial intelligence into their aircraft could revolutionize their technology offerings, potentially leading to cost efficiencies and optimized operations. However, despite these promising developments, market sentiment may remain cautious in the short term due to the recent earnings revisions. Yet, if ACHR can effectively leverage its current partnerships and innovations, it may see substantial growth opportunities in the long term, providing a favorable outlook for its stock performance. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned ACHR an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Needham rated ACHR as a buy with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, Canaccord Genuity also rated ACHR as a buy with a hold action. On that same date, Raymond James rated ACHR as outperform with a hold action. Previously, on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright rated ACHR as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned ACHR Aviation stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for ACHR Aviation. ACHR Aviation Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $11.11 and $8.38. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term outlook. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 14.36%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically correlates with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 64 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ACHR Aviation. ACHR Aviation Incorporated finds support for an accumulated volume at $11.16. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is known for its high volatility, experiencing significant movements throughout the day. With a notably large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.61, representing a change of 14.36%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.3%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for ACHR Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -21 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ACHR Aviation. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ACHR Aviation is at $11.84. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, ACHR Aviation faces its first support level at $11.16. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for ACHR Aviation from various analyst sources is classified as a sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Muniz Thomas Paul, who bought and sold 384,977 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 3.331. In total, insiders acquired 1,919,774 shares and disposed of 2,030,804 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.74, which represents a decline of 5.74%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is ACHR Aviation stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood for ACHR Aviation Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis of this stock since our previous evaluation, changing our recommendation from hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate ACHR Aviation to open higher by approximately 392 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $11.78. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Please do not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.